Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to get iOS 17 for your iPhone. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you are updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick it till the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now do take note that the iOS 17 is only available for newer phones all the way up to iPhone XS. So say if you have an older phone like iOS 8 and older than that, then you won't be able to upgrade into iOS 17. Now let's go into our settings right here. And then what we're going to be doing is, now let's go into a general right here. And then you should be able to see software update. So let's go ahead and click on this. Now it will check for any update right here. And then as you can see here, so it is at the most updated iOS 16 version. But as you can see here on the bottom, it actually says you can also upgrade or choose to upgrade to iOS 17. So let's go ahead and click on this. And then all you need to do now is click download and install. And do take note that this requires 2.91 gigs or more to be able to upgrade into the newest iOS 17. Now this may take some time, so around about 30 minutes or more to download and install, and then it will reset your phone. And then this will go ahead and upgrade to the newest version. Don't worry, you will not lose all of your data, but you will get a refreshed hello from iPhone itself. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can upgrade into iOS 17. Hope you guys found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.